The Charlotte-Mecklenburg Library is introducing self-paced learning to staff at the library. Self-paced learning allows you to access training anytime from anywhere. You can complete lessons at your own pace, coming back as often as you need to, and you no longer have to drive to locations to complete training. The main difference between face-to-face training and self-paced learning is that the responsibility is on you to read each screen, making sure that you comprehend it, and completing any of the assignments before you go to the next lesson. We hope that you'll enjoy the self-paced classes that we've created using Lumenix, which was donated to the library from Hanshaw Incorporated. To enroll in self-paced training, go to My HR, click on Library Online Training. This will open our course management system, which is called Lumenix. Click on View Course Catalog to view the courses that are available to you. And the very first course that you should enroll in is Learn to Learn Online Self-Paced. Click on the course title. This brings up a list of sessions. Click on one of the open sessions and then click on Enroll and Launch. This will launch the course for you. Once you've logged into Lumenix, the course will appear. Each screen will have information that you'll need to read, and you click Next to go to the next screen. You can also click Back to go back to previous screens. Some of the pages will have questions such as true, false, or multiple choice. Select your answer, then click on Check Answer to view whether the answer was correct or not. Then click Next to go to the next page. Remember, you can always go back if you want to try a question over if you've gotten the answer incorrect. Some courses will require headphones so that you can hear the audio portion of the course. Once you've finished one of the course lessons, you'll be taken back to the course homepage. Click on the second lesson to open the second lesson for this course. At some point during a course, you'll be asked to go to the intranet to the online discussion forums for your particular course. This is an important opportunity for you to take some time to reflect and think about how you're going to apply what you've learned back on your job. To do this, just click the link that's in your Lumenix course, and this will automatically take you to the intranet to your discussion forum. Once you're at the discussion forum, you can either add to a topic that has already been created, such as this one, Thoughts about this class. Click on the topic and you can read what others have posted. And then scroll to the bottom to post a new comment. The subject line is optional, but it does help people to see what the subject of your post is. If you leave the subject blank, the first line of your comment will be labeled as the subject for the post. Once you've finished typing in your comment, scroll to the bottom and click on Save to save this comment to this particular forum. You can see the link here to get back to the forum. And you can also click Post New Discussion Forum if you want to start a new thread in this forum. Again, click Save when you've finished. Click on the thread and then you can see all of the threads in this particular forum. Click the X in the upper right corner to close out of the discussion forums, and then you're taken back to your Lumenix course. Now we'll start the next lesson, which is the assessment. All self-paced courses within Lumenix will have an assessment at the end of the course. Generally, you will need to score at least 80% or higher to pass a course. If for some reason you score less than 80%, you can just restart the course again, reviewing whatever lessons it was that you needed to review in order to pass the assessment at the end of the course. And at the end, you'll be told what your score was and what the required score was to pass. Finally, in the last lesson of the course, you'll be taken to an evaluation. The evaluation is only 4 questions long, but it's important to give us feedback about the course so that we know that the course is meeting the needs of our staff. And as always, if you have any suggestions to improve the course, please feel free to include those. Click Close to close out of the course. Then within Lumenix, click on Home and you can view the list of courses you've completed. These are all of your self-paced courses. Click X to close out of the course. Then within MyHR, click on your training summary. I'm going to sort here by the end date of the course to make it easier to find. And then I can see my Learn to Learn Online self-paced. It shows as completed. Keep in mind that it takes 24 to 48 hours for your self-paced training courses to appear within MyHR's training summary.